All right, now we're ready to keep going. Let's all go back to the code mode here. And we're looking for line 122, where it's entitled My Blog. Once you're there, we're going to leave the text the same in terms of My Blog. But at this point, we need to access your blog. I'm going to open, which I've already pulled up the blog that I have used for another course, Digital Photography News. But if you do not know your blog address, you can simply log into Blackboard, as I'm doing here as a demonstration. And we know that there is an item within the course. This is just as an example. This folder right here, you can find your name, and just as an example, you can click on the hyperlink, and once the page comes up, the blog, for example, you can copy it by holding down the Command key and the alphabet C, as in copy. And I did copy that, students. I don't want that, so I'm going to copy my address. Command C to copy, and then I'll minimize the browser. I'm back into Dreamweaver here. Now we have to be very careful on this line 122. We want to be within the quotation marks. Delete the hashtag or pound sign and Command V, that address. So I have there http:// my blog address .tumblr.com / and then the tag closes and the listed item closes also. I'm going to go ahead and save. And I would encourage you to put this item now. We know how to do that, the up arrow. There's another way to put it also, but this is a shortcut. And I'll just split as I've done before. Click on my, and it takes me to that line 122, which is perfectly fine. Turn the live and design. Go back to the live mode. Okay. All right, this is great. All right, so before we submit this assignment, now be sure that you put all that you have done. Again, as I've mentioned, I will very soon put once I'm back on the campus, and my changes will be indicated, but this is a good sign here that everything looks great. I have my links updated that are current. I know that my blog should work. My required pages should be there also, my required pages.html. And the only step that you would need to do is check it, and then you want to submit your assignment. Once you've done those things, you will have completed the navigation rollover assignment in advanced technologies and journalism.